Welcome to this video, guys, where we are going to be talking about ClickBank affiliate marketing and building profitable sales funnels. You're going to watch me build a profitable sales funnel, and this is actually part 2 in this series where we talk about email marketing. Guys, I'm super excited to have you on this video. It's going to be dynamite. However, if you have not watched part 1 of this series in the ClickBank affiliate marketing sales funnels where I actually build the funnel, go ahead and check that video out. I'll leave the card right here and in the description below. So go ahead and check that out first, then come back to this video because it won't make sense unless you watch that video first. But if you're just looking for the email marketing piece for ClickBank affiliate marketing and do it marketing products on ClickBank, then you could just stay right here. So again, if you missed it, my name is Marissa Romero. Welcome to the channel if you're brand new. I really appreciate you being here. And what you can expect on this channel is me teaching you how to make money online, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, it doesn't matter. There's something on this channel for everybody. Now, with that being said, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you're excited for today's content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because there's going to be a lot of information to go through, but it's going to be really, really good stuff. Now, today's keyword for this video is email marketing. Now, if you guys are wanting to learn more about email marketing, go ahead and comment below email marketing so I can get a feel of who knows what and what you're struggling with email marketing, because that is a super crucial part to marketing anything online, whether it's marketing an affiliate product or your own product, doesn't matter. So I'm going to start here with a short presentation, then we're actually going to show you the actual email marketing. Let's get right to it with this presentation I have for you guys today. Again, this is part 2 of a 2-part video series with ClickBank affiliate marketing. So let's talk about email marketing and why it is so crucial to your business. The magic happens with email marketing and building a list and that type of thing. So the benefits of email marketing, of course, are data collection. So you're collecting data on who your customers are, what regions they're from, countries, age, demographics, that type of thing. So it's really important to understand the demographics of your audience. Following up is 80% of your marketing because people are not going to buy your offer when they first visit your website or your affiliate link or whatever it is. That is why it is so important to have email marketing in place. And this is what people don't realize is the magic happens in the follow-up and the broadcasting and all that stuff. So, which brings me to my next point of educating, nurturing, and building a relationship with the people that subscribe to your list. Now, you want to give value as a company, as a brand, and whatever you're doing, but you especially want to give value to your list because they have subscribed to your list and they've given you your information and they're interested. So that is where you extra have to email them and interact and build that relationship and get them to trust you. Brand awareness. This is another reason that goes hand in hand with nurturing your list. You want people to be aware of your brand, your mission, who you are, and over time, they will get to know you even better. And the most important thing is you're turning visitors to your website that opt into your funnel. You're turning them into paying customers, okay? So that is why email marketing is beneficial, but really required in your business, all right? So definition, a list. It may sound obvious, but I must mention it. A list is held in your email marketing platform, and it holds the data for people who subscribe to your funnel. So when they put their name and their email, it goes to a list in your email marketing platform or your account, okay? Email open rate. This is the percentage of people who open your emails. So emails that are sent, let's say there's an email sent to 1,000 people, a typical open rate is about 20%. So that's about 200 people opening your email. So a typical good open rate is about 20%. So your click-through rate is how many people open that email and click on the link in the email. A typical click-through rate is around 3 to 4%. Anything above that is really good. A conversion can mean anything from a sale to a lead generated, but for email marketing, a conversion typically means when somebody clicks on the link in an email and buys. All right, so a sale. A sale is, of course, a purchase, and I say it separately than conversion because sometimes conversion can mean other things besides purchasing, okay? And lifetime value. So people that, opt into your list, maybe they buy from you eventually, but maybe they buy from you again. It's not rare that people buy from you 1 time, 2 times, 4 times. As long as your brand is alive, people will buy from you. Types of emails. We have welcome emails that are kind of sent automatically when somebody opts in. Maybe it talks about your brand and who you are. You have upsell emails and downsell emails. You have broadcast emails, which is a one-time email that you send out to your list. Maybe it's for a blog post you just wrote or a YouTube video you just created and you want to share it with your list. You would send out a broadcast and say like, hey, are you, wanting to learn more about Facebook marketing? Check out this video I made, click here. So that could be a typical broadcast. A sequence / autoresponder, the names are interchangeable. A sequence and autoresponder is a series of emails that go out in sequential order to your list. For example, if somebody opts into your list, day 1, they're going to get an email. Day 2, they're going to get another email. Day 3, they're going to get another one. And they could be sent 24 hours between each other. So that's why it's called an autoresponder, is because it responds automatically and it's automated to whoever opts into your list. So the steps to what I'm about to show you. Now, the first step is to create a 2-part sales funnel. Typically, for most cases, this works absolutely fine. But for that instruction, go back to video 1 in this series. Of course, the link's in the description. And then step 2 is to create a list. Very, very easy. Takes like 30 seconds. Step 3 is to connect your list to your funnel. So the way you connect your list is you connect it to your landing page, and I will show that to you. Create a follow-up email sequence / autoresponder. This is your last step, and this is important because it should be at least a 7-day follow-up or more. This is where it's going to take a little bit more time because you're typing in emails and making them look pretty, but it's not that bad. And I'll show you guys here in a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to my sales funnel and my email marketing tool called Builderall. Now, Builderall is an amazing tool. It's highly affordable. Like, it's only $49. You get sales funnels, email marketing, membership sites where you can build your own digital product. But for this demonstration, what I'm going to show you is the MailBoss. Now, MailBoss is Builderall's email marketing platform. So if you click on MailBoss, you will have access to email marketing tools. So for example, I have my lists, okay? And I'm going to show you, in the first part, we created this belly fat weight loss list, okay? And it's really easy. If you do want to create a list, all you got to do is go to Create New and type in the name of your list. Maybe it's Make Money Online, maybe it's weight loss, whatever niche you're in. The display name is what people will see, and a quick description of what your list is. So you want to change this to single opt-in and single opt-out, so it's easy for people to unsubscribe. But I'm not going to go over this because I went over it already in another video. So what we're going to focus on right now is actually an email sequence. So we're going to click on email sequence. All right, and I don't have any yet, so this is cool because when you get Builderall, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be blank. It's not going to have anything. So you're going to go to Create New, and you're going to name the sequence. We're going to just name it Weight Loss Follow-Up. Something easy, something you could easily identify. List. It's going to go to the belly fat weight loss list. Segment. I don't have to use this yet. This is a little bit advanced. You don't really need to worry about this right now. But these are options you can have of people, or I'm sorry, not of people, but of things you'd like to do, of different user activity in your system. But for this example, and if you're just getting started, you don't need to worry about segmenting. There's just options you could do later. And I like this because let's say you already have 100 leads in your system and you haven't sent them this follow-up series. You have the option of sending your email sequence to both future subscribers that opt in and also current subscribers, which is so cool. So you don't have to do the dirty work and re-email all your existing subscribers, right? You don't have to do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and click save, send to future subscribers. That's what we're going to do because we're going to assume I have 0 subscribers. Save and edit sequence emails. So now it's going to create the template of your emails. So this is super cool. It has beautiful templates where you can customize it, add pictures, add different images, graphics, phrases, whatever it is. Maybe in the future you have your own digital product. But this is really easy to navigate. Now, of course, everything you look at first seems overwhelming because you don't know it. But I got very comfortable using this email marketing platform in Builderall within 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, I have prior experience before with other autoresponders, but they were much more confusing. So what we're going to do, this is email 1 in your sequence, and we can add another email in a second. But what we do for the first email is we want to name the first email. And a campaign basically means it's kind of like an event in your sequence. So you're going to have multiple campaigns. So it's like campaign 1, 2. So this is going to be your first email. So email 1, subject. And we're going to go to ClickBank. And I already picked a product in the health and fitness niche. And I picked one because it has example template emails. Oops. I think I accidentally clicked on the dog niche, health and fitness. Okay, we're gonna look at this Lost Book of Remedies. It's kind of like, I really don't know what it is, but it has a great affiliate marketing. If you're an affiliate for them, it has a great affiliate marketing resource website, and they have email templates. So we're gonna pretend we have an affiliate link for this product, and we're going to market it. So they have email sequences down here. So look, this could be email 1. All right. So we're going to copy the subject, come back here to Mailboss and paste it. Okay. And then here we're going to edit what it says. Okay. We're going to say, hi, this is the whole email, but we're just going to put like the first part. All right. Copy. And we'll replace this, hi, first name, da-da-da-da. And it's really cool because over here, you can like bold stuff, you can change the colors, you can edit anything you want, you can link stuff super easy. And so let's say they're telling us the email template, they're telling us which phrases to put the link. So we're gonna come here and link it. And we're gonna pretend that let's go to the sales page. We're going to pretend that this sales page is our affiliate marketing link. It's not, but we're just going to pretend for this example. And we're going to go ahead and paste it into here. And that's going to be our link for people to click on. Okay, so then we're going to do the same thing here. So see, look, it's already saying edit link. That's why I love it. It's super easy to use. Very, very cool. So a lot of the legwork is done for you. Okay, so now we have the second email in the sequence, and you're gonna wanna build it all the way up to 7. I'm not gonna show you 7, I'm just gonna show you how to do 1. So here what you'll do is you'll come here to email 2, send to future subscribers, activate at whatever time. So this doesn't really matter. After they subscribe, autoresponder, time value. So we're gonna do 1 day, and that means 1 day after the initial email sends. Okay, so we're going to save the changes. All right, and it's updating. So this is pretty cool. Now, then you just edit this message. So we're going to just call this email 2 in the sequence. The subject, we're going to go back to the templates that they give us. An email 2, Medicine Man warns Trump, blah, blah, blah. That is our subject for this one. Oops. Okay, Medicine Man, da da da. And then we're going to change this copy to whatever email to says. Where's email to? All right, body, we have lost the war on cancer. It's kind of weird. But yeah, we're going to come here, paste it in, sorry. And then again, we're going to change out the links like before, okay? And I know this is a lot of information, but if you guys have any questions or it's confusing to you, just pause this video and go through it a little bit more slowly, all right? So when you get done, you're just going to keep adding emails, and when you get done, you can activate the sequence and it's ready to go to send to your future subscribers. One more thing I wanted to show you before I end this video is if you go back to Builderall and we go back to the funnel that we made for this product or this pretend product, I think it was, yeah, ClickBank example, edit. What we want to do is we want to connect our opt-in to this list. So that way when we connect it to the list, it automatically sends the sequence that we created for this product. Okay. So we get back to this funnel and it says, please configure the email marketing because it's not connected. So what you do is you come here, click configure, and you want to select the email marketing platform. And we want to use MailingBoss because that's Builderall's email marketing. And we're just going to connect it to BellyFat because that's the list that we want to have our visitors go to. And that is it, guys. So again, to see me create the sales funnel, go back to part 1 and click save. And that is it. It's as simple as that. Okay, guys? So on this video, extremely useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And again, leave a comment below of email marketing as the keyword. Now I wanted to direct your attention to the first link in the description below. That is my #1 way and recommended system to make a full-time income online. It's how I do it, and it also has additional video trainings in there that goes way more in depth on topics just like this. So you guys want to check that out. Click the link in the description. It'll be the very first link. So go ahead and get started with those videos today and watch my free training. Again, you guys have been awesome. Hope you got mad value from this video. I will see you on the next video. You take care.